Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up Evernote. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go first to your device and open any kind of browser. Right here guys, I will go to the URL section and search for Evernote. So, Evernote, here we go. Now we go here, click in it, and basically we just have to connect in our wallet or our account. So connect. Let me just translate this page to English real quick. So I will go all the way down and translate it to English, which is supposed to be somewhere in here. Here we go. So now I will just click here to log in, and I have to create an account. So I will log in using my Gmail account, just like so. Real quick, create account, and here we go. Now I just have to fill some informations. Let's wait a little bit. So getting started. Here we go. Just gotta give it some time. So here it is now. This is my account. So they will give you like 10 gigabytes for free. If you accept this, get it for free. So you can cancel it anytime. So let me just ignore it. So get started. Here, where do you wanna use it? So for work or schools, say for example for school, a web browser or desktop app or phone. So I think it's web browser for me, and then class notes, etc, etc. So I will choose um to Evernote, class notes, research, time management. Next. So after that, I will choose to go with my free plan. Here we go. And as you can see here, guys, you can use it to notes, to make anything in your school, work, or whatever it is. Here is some, for example, here is notes. Here you can put your tasks, so you can actually add task here. But as you can see here, for example, let's add a task. So here it is the task and have been added to-do list. And yeah guys, that's how we can actually use Evernote. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you guys for watching.